Before I move, I claim this moment. I awaken with intention, power, and authority. My first thoughts shape my day, so I choose thoughts that serve my highest reality. I rise as the divine queen of my life. I do not wait for life to happen to me. I command my reality. I breathe in power. I breathe out all weakness. My mind is open, receptive, and obedient to my command. My energy is clear, aligned, and magnetic. I enter the day in complete sovereignty. I remember who I am. I do not hope. I do not beg. I command. I am the creator of my reality. I am the master of my energy. I am a channel for wealth, wisdom, and divine flow. I do not chase. I attract. I magnetize. I command. Today, my energy is sovereign. Today, my mind listens to me. Today, my reality responds to me. Everything I speak now imprints into my subconscious and becomes my lived experience. Body, listen to me. You move with strength, confidence, and grace. You support my goals, my wealth, and my highest path. Every cell in this body aligns with success and abundance. Body, activate power, ease, and alignment. Mind, obey me. You operate today with clarity, focus, discipline, and intelligence. You release all doubt and distraction. You amplify confidence, certainty, and vision. Mind, stay sharp, loyal, and aligned to my wealth identity. Subconscious mind, listen and lock in these commands. You build a life of wealth, freedom, and abundance for me now. You dissolve all limiting beliefs about money and success. You release all past identities of lack. I am a wealthy woman. Wealth is my natural state. Money is safe with me and it grows with me. Guide me toward actions and opportunities that multiply my wealth with ease, strategy, and alignment. Subconscious, this command is sealed. Discipline, hear my voice. You are no longer emotional or inconsistent. You belong to me and you serve my destiny. I act on my goals without negotiation. I keep my word to myself. My standards are high because I am a divine queen of abundance. I follow through. I execute. I deliver. Discipline, anchor into my identity. Success, walk with me today. Money, hear my command. You flow to me with ease, respect, and abundance. You enter my life freely, joyfully, and in increasing amounts. I am a magnet for wealth. I am a portal for prosperity. I am a woman money trusts. Money comes to me from expected and unexpected sources. Money stays with me, grows with me, and multiplies under my leadership. Money, come to me, stay with me, grow with me. Opportunities aligned with my wealth and purpose find me today. Doors open for me without struggle. The right people, ideas, resources, and pathways reveal themselves clearly and quickly. I am always in the right place, at the right time, meeting the right people. Opportunities, present yourselves. I am ready and I receive. Universe, respond to my frequency. I elevate my wealth identity and reality rearranges to match it. I step into the timeline where abundance is natural, constant, and overflowing. I do not ask for wealth. I embody wealth. As I speak, the quantum field reorganizes in my favor. Everything aligned with my abundant destiny is already on its way to me or already here. Energy aligns. People align. Resources align. Reality aligns. My wealth is inevitable. I am not only a receiver of wealth, I am a creator of wealth. My ideas create real impact and real income. My decisions are sharp, aligned, and intelligent. Every action I take expands my wealth and future prosperity. I move like a wealthy woman. I think like a wealthy woman. I choose like a wealthy woman. I am her now. Wealth flows to me with ease, grace, and inner peace. There is no struggle in my prosperity. I allow. I attract. I command. Wealth and ease coexist in my life. Closing ritual, hand on heart, hand on belly. I am safe to be wealthy. I am worthy of abundance. I am becoming more powerful every day. I wear my crown with certainty. My word is law. My reality obeys. It is done. It is sealed. It is my reality now. If this ritual elevated you, return to it daily and subscribe to Echo of the Mind for more.